gonna run a red light, huh? Oh, and he gonna run a red light too. You guys know what a red light means? Then he blocked the crosswalk.